Hello. So I'm going to cook dinner, and I am making regular spaghetti, and my mom's making spaghetti squash. So, yeah.
Alright, so while they're over there doing all that, I'm watching the Super Bowl. I wasn't gonna watch it, but I figured I should since it's the Super Bowl. While I got my chef right here and the assistant. That's my favorite right there.
Okay, so this is how it looks right when it comes out of the oven. And
Looks like a
we're
yellow
gonna,
raisin.
yeah. We're gonna let it cool down for a little bit before we prepare it. Okay, so after they've cooled down, it's gonna look like this. And what you're gonna do is start scraping, just like this. See how easy it comes off? Don't mind the noise in the background. That's Elgin playing his game. See? You'll get like this.
So I am attempting to serve mine in L's food. I don't know how much you want. Probably up. Like right there is good.
Yeah, is that what that's what you want?
I was doing it for Elden.
And this is mine. I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Sniva's.
Ready to eat?
Elgin.
Alright, I don't know if I should try my wife's.
They actually taste good.
It does taste good?
I won't give you mushroom part.
I don't want mushroom.
That's what I said, I'm not gonna give it to you. Here.
Is it? What's it called? Squash spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti squash. I don't know about that one. I think I'll just deal with regular one. Mine's ready. You like it?
Mm-hmm. I did.
It doesn't, like, I don't know, it doesn't even look like spaghetti.
Well,
Like, it looks like
it tastes like an empanada, the squash by itself.
Oh, it does?
You don't have to do spaghetti.
What's an empanada?
It's like a Mexican treat. It's like pumpkin on the inside, and then like
Well,
it's
there's
like
different
dough.
kinds.
Well,
Yeah, because you can put, I've seen them with like pineapple also.
oh,
I've seen them with pineapple. An empanada. It's a Mexican treat, I guess, yeah. Yeah. Cheers.
You gotta tell me how good it is.
Let me
I
see.
made it.
Oh, you made it, right?
Yep.
Okay, let me
Chef Zenaida.
see how Chef Zenaida did. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even get Parmesan.
That's right.
When I'm chef, I go by Chef Salila.
Chef Zenaida. Let's see how good this is. Okay, now it's starting to look legit. Okay. Let's see, there it is.
Dame jalapeno.
Yeah.
Is it good, baby?
Nope. Give me right there. Is that even?
You're filming?
It might be better than yours, baby.
It's because I taught her.
It's because he taught her?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm the one who made it with love. So as you can tell, I'm a very good chef. So 10 out of 10. No, 10.5.
I'm gonna give it about a 32 out of 10.
Yay. Mom, yours is the 10 out of 10. No. Daughter outcooked you.
It's okay.
So does that mean grandma though, like, is a better cook? Cause did she teach you how to cook it?
No.
Oh. I
Some
like
things she did.
I like grandma's spaghetti.
Yeah.
I like yours too. But I like grandma. Okay, so we're gonna eat and enjoy our dinner. So made by Chef Gordon Ramsay. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and even share this video to other people. So we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.